Hello, everyone. Sherry from Desert Rest, Nevada here. And I just wanted to share a quick video of different egg sizes. This little one right here, that's a cockatiel egg. This one is a brand new chicken egg layer. Sometimes the eggs come out real small, and this one is an experienced chicken egg layer. Let's see, let's turn them sideways. You can also get a perspective on chicken egg sizes, or chicken, brand new chicken, and cockatiel. Look at here. I'll put the ruler right at the end. The cockatiel egg is 1 inch long. The brand new chicken egg is 1¼ inches. And the experienced, that's a 2-inch egg, and you can get them all the way up to. This, I think, is considered a medium or a small-sized egg. So there you go. Different size eggs from different birds. Now, the chicken who laid this will eventually end up laying eggs this size. Have a great rest of your day. God is good.